Today, the city of North Little Rock closed on a property that's going to bring much needed health care to the Rose City neighborhood. THV11's Mercedes McKay shows us why this is so vital for that area north of the river.
I'm standing right where the health clinic will be located. This resource is something that Mayor Terry Hartwick has been promising this area since he took office. And city officials tell me this is just the beginning.
It's going to show the investment that we want to make in the community so that it will spur on other investment in that area.
This may look like a scrapyard now with rundown buildings and torn up wood, but it won't be that way for long.
The main key to it is going to be that health clinic that we just feel is so important because that area is lacking in those kind of services.
It's something North Little Rock city officials have been working on for a while. Director of Development Robert Birch says the money came from selling about $1.8 million worth of city property. They're taking those dollars to reinvest in their community's health.
Of all the projects that I've worked on, this is probably the most rewarding one. I'll be really happy when it's done.
Right now, there's no accessible health clinic or even an urgent care in Rose City, which is why people are turning to Cornerstone Pharmacy for help.
Sometimes they may have a scratch or an infection or something like that, and they're asking us for recommendations. And unfortunately, a lot of times those recommendations are to get in to see a medical provider.
Owner Randy Casasilla says they get these questions so often that a health clinic in walking distance is vital for this community.
It's an underserved community, so a lot of my patients are walking here. They don't have vehicles, they don't have transportation of their own.
Soon that barrier won't be a problem anymore, and the people that call Rose City home will finally have access to this necessary resource.
And we're all very excited that this is going on. My patients are excited about it, and everyone's looking forward to what Rose City has to offer in the future.
In North Little Rock, Mercedes McKay, THV11 News.
Thank you, Mercedes. As far as a timeline, city officials hope they can have that clinic open in a little over a year.